2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. Now, jojoba oil is very good at moisturizing your skin and moisturizing your hair. To pour in the manuka honey, and this honey also has really high antibacterial properties. Using apple cider vinegar because apple cider vinegar helps to balance the pH in the hair, so it's a pH balancer, as well as it helps to strip out any product that you may use in your hair. So I am adding 3 drops of cedarwood. And then I'm going to put in rosemary. So of course, rosemary essential oil, I'm doing 3 drops because it's great for breakage, to help prevent breakage and hair loss. And then finally, I'm going to add peppermint essential oil. I'm doing 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. And peppermint helps to stimulate the hair follicles, which then helps your hair to grow. So all the ingredients in, I'm just gently stirring this. And you can see this beautiful, beautiful color into one of these squeeze bottles that have a spout, right? So I have that here, squeeze bottle, and this is some that I already made, pour it in here. And when you go in the shower, you would simply take this the top off, and just basically squeeze it onto your hair, getting into your scalp. You want to massage that in for about 3 or 5 minutes. Enjoy the experience. And once you have that on, put a cap on your head and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then rinse it out. It's great if you have dry hair, even if your hair isn't normally dry, but maybe because of the weather, for those of us in the cold weather, sometimes it dries out your hair, or you have frizzy hair. This formula here is really great for delivering that moisture to your hair and that softness. It makes your hair really super soft.